Hey guys, welcome back. Here we're being asked to represent the expression on the number line. And the expression is right here. This actually, I'm sorry, it's not an expression, it's an equation. We have two groups of -4 and we have to represent this on the number line here. And I want us to really quick just notice how we have a number and then we have another number in parentheses inside. Do you guys see that? We just have a number right here. Here's our number 2. And then we also have another number inside these parentheses. This is what we call parentheses here. And whenever you guys see a number next to another number in parentheses, that means that we're going to form groups of. And that is referring to multiplication. So this number in parentheses next to another number is the same as 2 times -4. Okay, so these two mean the exact same thing. You guys might also see it this way. You might see 2 in parentheses and you might see -4 in parentheses. These mean the exact same thing. Okay, so this 2 next to a -4 in parentheses means 2 times -4. And I just want us to understand that multiplication, whenever you guys see anything that involves multiplication, we usually have to form groups of. So for example, 2 in parentheses with -4, that would be the same as 2 groups of -4. So that means we're going to have 2 groups, and in each group we're going to have -4. And we have to represent this expression here on this number line. Again, that means we should have 2 groups and we should have -4 in each group. So since this is a negative, we're going to start off at 0. And we're going to form the very first group, and the first group should go all the way to -4. This is group 1, and we're representing on the number line that there's a total of 4 negatives in that group. Do you guys see that? -1, -2, -3, -4. So there's -4 inside of this group, and now we have 2 groups of -4. So if this is our first group, we're going to have to do another group with another -4 inside. So it'd be -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is going to be our second group. This is group 2. And there's also -4 inside this group. So we've just represented 2 groups of -4, which is the same as 2 times -4, right? 2 groups of -4. Here's our first group. There's -4 inside of that group, -1, -2, -3, -4. Here's our second group, and there's another -4 inside, -1, -2, -3, -4. And this has a value of -8. I want us to see how we stopped here at -8. So 2 times -4, or 2 groups of -4, that's equivalent to -8. Thank you very much.